Hey everyone, let's solve another question from Striver's A to Z sheet, which is single element in the sorted array. Okay, so in this question, we have given an array which is sorted, and it is given that some of the elements are uh, all the elements are in the pair except one element. In this case, the element which is unique is 2. In this case, the element which is unique is n. Okay, so we have to return the unique element. And okay, so this is the thing, and we have given that the array is sorted. Okay, every element appears exactly twice. Given that every element appears exactly twice except one of the elements. Okay, so let us analyze and we have to give the solution, uh, which follows of log and time complexity. Okay, so let's understand the array first of all. Let's say the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the indexes, and the array elements are 1, 1, so, 1 and 2 and 3, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, and 8 and 8. So these are the elements that we have given. As we can see, as we can see, if we start from left, if we start iteration from the left corner, we can see that. Uh, First, the element if the elements are equal, then first element is always present on the even portion. Okay, and in the right hand portion, if in the right hand portion after the appearance of the unique element, we can see that uh, all the elements which are equal, the first element always appears on the odd index. Okay, so 3 and 3 are both same. First 3 is appearing at the odd index, which is 3. I can see 4 and 4 are the same, and I can see that first appearance of the 4 is at the index 5, which is odd, and 8 and 8 are the same, and I can see that the first appearance of 8 is also appearing on the odd index. This fashion is occurring after the occurrence of the unique element. And before the occurrence of unique element, I can see that uh, the first appearance of the element is always on the even index. So this, with the help of this observation, we can use the binary search algorithm, and according to these situations, we will select the left portion or right portion. Okay, so let's comment these. Now let's create the function int left is equals to 0, int right is equals to nums dot size minus 1. Okay, and finally let's create mid int mid. Okay, now what should we do? First of all, let's start the loop while left is smaller than equals to right. Then I should do something. First of all, let's calculate mid value. Mid value is actually r minus l by 2 plus l. Okay, this is the mid value. And let's do one thing. If nums mid, if nums mid is not equals to nums mid minus 1, and then nums mid not equals to nums mid plus 1, then I should break the loop. Okay, else what are the conditions? If if the index is either even or odd, else if mid percentile 2 equals to 0, then what should I do? If mid, else the mid element is going to be 4. Okay. So in this condition, if the mid element is actually even, mid element is actually even. Let's say let's say mid element is actually here. This is the mid element. If if nums mid equals to nums mid plus 1, then for sure our answer is going to be in the right hand portion. So left is equals to mid plus 1, else right is equals to mid minus 1. Let's say the mid is here now. Let's say the mid is here. Okay. Let's say the mid is even now, and I can see that mid plus one value is not equals to mid plus one value is not equals to the current value. Then I should be moving in the left hand portion. Okay, so this is the thing. Now I can see that if mid is odd value, let's say if mid is odd value, if mid is odd value, then what should I do? Check if nums mid equals to nums mid minus 1. If nums mid equals to nums mid minus 1, then I should be moving in the right. Then left is equals to mid plus 1, else r is equals to mid minus this is the 1. And there are some edge cases that we should that we should take care of, which are if r equals to 0, then return nums r, else if nums 0 not equals to nums 0 plus 1, that is 1, return nums 0. Okay, else if nums right not equals to nums right minus 1, return nums. Okay, so these are the conditions. Let's comment this also. So I think the code will work fine, and let's check. And finally, after breaking the loop, I should be return nums return nums mid. Okay, yep, all the cases are working fine. Let's submit the code. There we go. Our code reads 53% of the people. Thanks.